Hello, we are offering a new $50 package that competes with Lifeline Screening. Lifeline Screening offers a package for $159 that covers the carotid artery stroke risk, the abdominal aorta aneurysm check, the atrial fibrillation heart rhythm check, and the arterial peripheral artery leg study that takes 10 days to get a report. We are offering that same package and same day reporting for only $50. It's going to be part of our service we offer for people who want a less expensive package. Saturday, September 28th at the Hampton Inn on 7850 Giles Street in Las Vegas, just south of the Outlet Mall off of Las Vegas Boulevard South and Windmill Lane. The hotel is located behind the Burger King off of Las Vegas Boulevard. The closest cross streets to the hotel are Blue Diamond, also known as Windmill Lane, and Las Vegas Boulevard South. We are also still offering other packages, 12 scanned areas of the body for $100 and 23 areas of the body for $150 with same-day report. We will also be offering breast or testicular ultrasounds that you can add to any package for $25. Schedule your appointment with us by calling or texting us at 702-209-5983. We hope that you're doing well and staying healthy. We look forward to helping you stay young.